Right in here on a Monday morning, little booth, BMW 425D, Melbourne red. Gonna get the old wet on wet out. Side skirt there, full wet on wet. We're gonna wet on wet the quarter, wet on wet the door. Just because I didn't prep this, I don't know what's been finished in. Saves a lot of hassle. I stick some base down, there's fucking scratches everywhere. And you fucking got to rub it all down. So a bit of wet on wet, job's a good one. So yeah, I'll full wet on wet the door, full wet on wet the skirt, blow the quarter in, bit on the wing to match the door. Handles over there, probably won't wet on wet that. No need. So yeah, skirt, been prepped, quite a few rub throughs, hence the wet on wet. Quarter, again, it's been rubbed through, got a bit of aerosol on, so we'll just seal everything in with a nice bit of wet on wet. Wing, like I said, just blow a bit of wet on wet on there just to match the door. The job's a good one. I might put you on a stand for the clear coat on this one, let you all have a gander. Right, wet and wet's down. So we'll just stop before the paper stops the rest of the overspray going over the rest of the quarter. Nice bit of wet on wet there, soft foamed the edge so we don't get grey there, because we're just doing a little blowing in the shut. Side skirt, wet on wet. Edge of the wing, slight wet on wet. Door, and didn't bother doing the handle. Yeah boy. Right, here she is, all based up. Side skirt, everything's based. WS 400, chuck some clear on it. Supernova. 2 bar. Fluid all the way out. Fan 1.5 out. First coat done. Just light coat on the first one. Just a full wet. Next one will be a nice heavy one. Come back when we stick the next one on. Right, second coat. Let's get this on. Smash it out. Bit of a wetter coat this time. Job's a good one. 2 full coats. Side skirt, wing, door, door handle. Boom. On to the next one, which is in the other booth. Big white van, joys, fucking 8 vans. But yeah, that's that one down.